This week's recruitment prediction series, number 16, comes from East Yorkshire. It's the land of Jacksons, where the wheat is grown that makes the flour producing fantastic tasting bread. And as Trevor Maplethorpe would say, that's Yorkshire. If we look across this landscape, we see a yield of harvest which is coming in far earlier than would normally be predicted at this time of year. The tapestry of the fields is almost monocolour, where everything's golden looks initially fantastic and beautiful. But actually, if we look more closely, whilst some of the harvest is already in, actually within these fields there's a mix of wheat, barley, cow beans, there's some rapeseed. And so the colour should be more diverse, especially at this time of year. But it's the recent heat that's brought in the harvest early, and the impact of that has had a consequence on productivity and yields that the farmers are seeing. What I've also seen over the last few weeks is that with the heat wave that we've received recently, there's also been a reduction in productivity of individuals, whether you're working in a bakery or other intense, hot working environment. So we have to ask ourselves the question, if change is on its way, climate change, a little bit political here, is on its way, what's the impact of that from a cost perspective on the businesses that we work in? And what are we as a business community going to take on to try and mitigate some of that cost?